How to join a private FPL league. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can join a private FPL league. The first step is to download and install the PL app on your device. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for the Premier League official app. Then download this application. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. Now, you first of all want to sign into your Premier League account. Then tap on the Fantasy option and sign into your Fantasy Premier League account as well. Once that is done, you want to scroll down and get to the Leagues and Cups section. Now tap on Join Leagues option. Here you have two options, Invitational and Public. To join a public league, you require no code. However, in order to join a private or invitational league, you require the invitational league code, which is only provided by the league admin. If you do not have the code, you will unfortunately not be able to join a private league. Once you have the code, simply paste the code over here on this box. Then tap on Join a League option. And in this way, you can very easily join a private league on FPL. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.